Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted files in Overleaf. So there isn't any trash folder for individual files, but you can recover them using the platform version control system. So the best for most users, so if you delete a file recently, you can roll back the project to a state before it was deleted. So click the history button in the top right corner of the editor. So you will see here some circle with a clock in it. Click on that. Scroll to the timeline on the right to find a version where the file still existed. Click on that version to preview the project. So I will just go with that one. Here you will preview the project. Find the file in the file list on the left here. Click the three dots. So here, as you can see, add it next to its name and select restore. So if you have some older file, you will see here on the right side of this file three dots. Click on that and then you will see there restore button, and this is basically it. You will restore this file and you will see it back in the main menu. If you deleted the entire project, it doesn't vanish immediately. So we will go to the project dashboard. Okay, so we go here to this Overleaf, and at the top left corners, and you will see, if you go to the logo of Overleaf, back to your project. So we will go back here, and then on the left side menu you will see here trashed project, and under here you will find the project. So if I try to do that, if I put it in trash, confirm. Now if I go to the trash project, here it is. Now what I can do is, you will see here on the right side, you will see download zip file, download PDF, archive, or restore, or delete. So I will click on restore, and if I go to the my project again, all projects, here it is again available for editing. So this is how you can recover deleted file in Overleaf. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next